Not all of our teams were from Berlin. Some of them actually had to travel a little bit to become part of this incubator. And the team that traveled probably the longest distance is the next one. They're called MyParamedic, and their company was originally founded in Belarus. And March of 2020, the team of 4 packed their bags and moved to Berlin to bring their product to life. And these past months, they've been testing very many use cases. And today, they're very happy to introduce you to their latest iteration of the MyParamedic solution. I'd like to welcome Dimitri, Ola, and Dennis.
Thank you, Justin. That's true. Okay. Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming. I'm happy to be here and present MyParamedic. My name is Dmitry. Since childhood, I've been trying to help people. This was reflected in my experience in emergency care. I saw how difficult it was for people to recover from heart attack. Sorry. This is Lucas, my patient. He had a heart attack and spent a lot of time to recover from it. But the fear of another heart attack is still presented in his life. Lucas went through the long journey and he didn't know that rehabilitation and other types of therapy are crucial parts of recovery. It doesn't change your past, but it can help you improve your heart's future. 80% of patients get drug treatment and stay without any rehab. They don't know how to recover from heart attack at home properly. They feel stress. They need support. Only in Germany, 500,000 heart attacks every year. The local healthcare system spent billion euros to treat such patients. The solution is MyParamedic, the mobile app that provides an individual cardiotherapy and support for patients at home. So, how it works? Users answer a few questions. The app automatically develops a personal recovery plan. The content is based on German National Cardio Guideline that has clinic evidence. Mobile app supports and motivates users during the whole recovery process. We focus on personalization. Our AI assesses patient condition during the whole process. It analyzes their answers and vital signs read from smart wearable devices, like a real doctor usually does. Depending on the result, it automatically adopts the recovery plan to the user's capabilities to achieve better health results. The personal plan represents a multimodal approach. It gives patients the understanding of their disease, show how to restore their physical fitness and reduce stress level. Users don't do all exercises alone. This is Harty, personal digital assistant. He will help users to achieve goals, earn rewards, and get support from other members. We think that therapy doesn't have to be boring. We started testing the core. It was able to detect 75% of situations when physical activity didn't fit users' health capabilities. It's a good point to say the therapy can be intelligent. Doctor will prescribe MyParamedic like pills after a heart attack when a person can stay at home. My colleagues and I believe that symbiosis of the medicine with IT is able to make next step towards the evolution. And our mission is to reduce the number of cardiovascular events, and we need help, investments, and partners. Let's change the world together. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for attention. And also, I would like to say thank you so much to the incubator team, mentors, and other teams for their help. Thank you.
Thank you. I have a burning question for you. You moved to Berlin in March. That's pretty much when the first wave hit Berlin. What was it like to move in that time?
Oh, this is a very good question, actually. It was a challenge for us because we had only few weeks to prepare all documents, get visa, and arrive to Berlin. And I would say that we bought the last train ticket, and we arrived 1 day before or 1 day after when government decided to set restrictions. So we're lucky.
Wow. So if you would have taken your time just a little bit, you would have spent the first, the first bit of it trapped back at home, not at the incubator. Wow. I'm impressed. Was that the biggest challenge that you've had throughout the last 9 months, or have there been other challenges?
Sorry, can you repeat your question?
Oh, yes. So what was the biggest challenge that you had throughout the last 9 months?
Oh, so actually the big challenge was to understand, I would say, how to sell the product. That's because we know how to do that, but we didn't know how to promote it. But now I can say that we know how to do that correct, how to develop business, because here very nice people who shared with us their knowledge and experience.
And you're using some gamification in your app. Can you elaborate a little bit on that?
Yeah, sure. Dennis will answer this question.
Yes, thank you for the question. It is interesting part of our solution. Based on public researching and talking with patient, we understood that one of the main reasons why people doesn't finish treatment program is the low level of motivation. That's why we use game approach. It has to solve this problem. For the beginning, we're going to use daily and weekly rewards to encourage people and support level of motivation during the whole program. And how Dmitry mentioned, we believe that treatment doesn't have to be boring. Thank you.
Thank you. And so what's next in your startup journey?
So actually our next plan is to prepare our product for a pilot project. And next year, so actually we already developed our core, and next year we just need to develop content and combine with our core to start beta testing before launching a pilot project.
So what's your go-to-market strategy then? Can you elaborate a little bit on that?
Yeah, sure. So actually next step, as I mentioned, will be to finish development and make beta testing. After that will be pilot project and medical certification. And after that, the product will be available on the market for patients.
And how are you going to promote it?
Yeah, so actually doctor will prescribe our application like pills, and from last year it's possible because new opportunities available on the market like Diga. So actually digital applications that provide some benefit. So like digital therapy, and doctors prescribe this therapy for patients.
Thank you so much, MyParamedic. That was great. Thank you for answering all the questions. And yeah, hope you enjoyed tonight.
Yeah, thank you, Justin.